Y del otro lado vemos el contenedor es un neo-Panama.
Okay, so we're at the Panama Canal. Hi everybody, this is Kim from Reality Travel. We're at the Panama Canal.
From a distance in the other side, we got that container ship, which is a new Panamax. So that means it's a larger vessel than the one we have right in front of us. So new locks that were opened 2 years ago in order to accommodate larger ships. So we got both originally new locks operating simultaneously in order to increase overcapacity of cargo. Tenemos ambas originales y nuevas esclusas operando al mismo tiempo para incrementar.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's okay. Well, it's my bag. Yeah. That's incredible. It's incredibly large, actually. Once again, this is Kim from Reality Travel coming to you from Panama City, Panama. We're at the Panama Canal. And I think it's one of the larger attractions here in Panama. This is actually a really nice place. Different. Never really expected. See if you can see that Miraflores, Panama Canal. Let's go on the other side and kind of capture. Let's try to capture some of the things in the water. Oh wow, this is an awesome picture here. Let's see if we can bring it back. Let's see if I can get okay, let's see if I can get me in this picture. For Reality Travel. I don't know if I was able to do that, but so I think that's enough of this. I'll take some pictures with the iPad.